Going to CSA New Tech in Columbus was a game changer for my career. We often talk about meeting the needs of our learners. We talk about meeting the needs of all learners. We talk about systems that don't meet those needs, and what our systems should look like. And yet at CSA New Tech, it was the first time that I was able to see those systems in place in action. They had taken the school system and rethought everything and met the needs of all learners. And it was such an experience and such a culture where everyone within the building was part of such a great vision. The teachers were empowered, but so were the children. Students there uh, were empowered to make decisions about their education and within their personal lives as well. And so they're given the tools and resources to be successful, not only in school, but beyond school. I would recommend for anyone that has the opportunity to visit CSA New Tech to take that time and to really stretch your thinking and to take that opportunity.